Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by reading the platform rules carefully so you know boundaries and why certain content is filtered. Understand what is permitted versus prohibited and flag specific examples that affect your use. Once done, note any account or content settings referenced in those rules. This foundation prevents accidental policy breaches and reduces the chance of moderation. Make sure to save timestamps or screenshots of unclear moderation so you can reference them later when communicating with support or adjusting content. Next, go into your account and review the official safety and privacy settings. Adjust only what the platform exposes to users. Design characters and prompts to align with allowed categories, and use explicit tags or age gates for mature themes so moderation can classify them correctly. Once done, refine wording to avoid ambiguous or borderline phrases that trigger automated systems. If available, enable official experimental features rather than third-party hacks, because platform tools are supported and reduce risk. Finish by documenting any problematic moderation with clear screenshots and timestamps, then submit an appeal through the platform's official process, explaining why the content complies with rules. Be concise and reference specific guideline sections where relevant. If the appeal fails, revise the content to eliminate trigger elements or use clearer classifications so automated systems accept it. One troubleshooting tip: if moderation is inconsistent, collect multiple examples and escalate through support, avoiding any attempts to circumvent safeguards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.